Okay, Jackson, let's take a ducky tub. It's January 12th. Okay, carry the tub in. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Good job. Good job. Look at how helpful you are. Oh my gosh. Yay, high five. Can you blow me a kiss? Blow kiss. Do it again. One more blow kiss. Jackson. Okay, show Grandma how you put the duckies in. Yep. Put all the toys in. Good job. Yep, put them all in. Nice job. You're working so hard. Put the cup in. Good boy. I love you, Jackson. What's a ducky say? Quack, quack. Good boy. Can you clap your hands? Yay, you did it, Jackson. Yay, clap your hands. Look at Mommy. Bye-bye. Bye.